Murad, no. Module 9, lesson 2, area of circles. Now let's remember, Ubayla, let's remember we are on page 300. 460. And today is 24 January. Now let's remember what we did in the previous lessons. We have a circle, and in the circle we have radius or diameter. We have the circumference and we have the area. The circumference has two formulas. You can say 2 pi r, and you can say pi r. And for the area, sorry, pi b. And for the area, we say it is pi r to the power of 2, right? So we have two formulas for the circumference and one formula for the area. The formula of the circumference, if you have the radius, you can find the circumference. If you have the diameter, you can find the circumference. But for the area, you need what? R. Diameter ما بيفيدني, right? I need the radius, okay? So let's check the homework, page 465, question 1. Question 1. 465. In question 1, find the area of the circle. Use the 3.14 for pi, round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. What's the radius here? In question 1. Malcolm, radius قدامك مكتوب 7.1. So the radius is how much? Apply the formula of the area. A equal pi r power 2 equal 3.14 multiply 7.1 to the power of 2 equal 3.14 multiply 7.1 multiply 7.1, right? Close the doors. A number power 2 means you multiply by itself how many times? 2 times. Now multiply these three numbers and now round to the nearest hundredth. It will be 3.14 multiply 7.1 multiply 7.1. The answer 158.29. So this is equal rounded 158.29. What's the unit of the radius in the graph? So it will be centimeter. لا تجاوب انت. نضال وين نضال؟ نضال انت لا تجاوب. متر باور 2. done. فهمنا؟ طيب. Question 2. What we have, radius or diameter in question 2? Radius. What's the radius? 4.25. Apply the formula of the area. A equal pi r to the power of 2 equal 3.14 multiply 4.25 all power of 2 equal 3.14 multiply 4.25 multiply 4.25 multiply these three numbers. The answer will be 3.14 multiply 4.25 multiply 4.25. It will be 56.72. So the 56.72. What's the unit? Inch power 3. This is questions 1 and 2 in the homework, right? Check your answers and let's go back to example. We did example 1 and the check, right? We will do example 2 and the check. Example 2. Focus, please. Done this. Watch the video and copy them. Now we are in example 2. Focus in example 2. The city of Wellington is commissioning a state of to honor their former mayor. The circular base of the statue will be 26 feet in diameter. So here the given is what? The diameter given, how much? 26 feet. The diameter is given here, how much? 26 feet. And they want us to find the area. They want us to find the area. Wait, ya Najam. They want us to find the area. But what's the formula for the area? A equal pi r power of 2. So I need the radius, but I have what here? The diameter. The diameter is 26. What's the radius? انت بتستوعب ولا لا؟ حلو. We said the radius is the half of the diameter, right? The diameter is 26. What's the radius will be? Not 52, huh? Yeah. So here, if the diameter is 26, the radius is, find the area. A equal pi r power of 2. 3.14 multiply 13 power of 2 equal 3.14 multiply 13 multiply 13. Multiply these numbers, the answer will be 3. Multiply 13 multiply 13, it will be 530.66. طبعا rounded. What's the unit? Feet power of 2. So if you have the radius, apply the formula directly. صح? If you have the diameter, what we do? Take the half of the diameter by dividing it by 2, then apply the formula. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. If you have the diameter, take the half of the diameter, then apply the formula, right? We cannot apply the area on the diameter. I need what always? The radius. I need the radius. Done? Let's do the check after this example quickly. In the check after this example, what we have? The circular area covered by a lawn sprinkler has 24.25 foot diameter. So the diameter here is how much? 24.25 what? Diameter. I want the area, so I need the radius. What's the radius? The half of the diameter. So to find the radius, take the diameter and divide by 2, صح? It will be what? 125. This is what? The radius. Can I find the area now? Yes. Apply the formula. A equal pi r over 2 equal 3.14 multiply 12.125 all power of 2 equal 3.14 multiply 12.125 multiply 12.125. This is equal 3.14 multiply 12.125 multiply 12.125. It will be 461.63. 461.63 feet per 2. Divide the what? You don't understand what? The question, they gave you the diameter, they want the area. How you find the area? Do you know the formula of the area? You need to watch the video of the first class. The area is pi r power 2. You have the diameter. How you find the radius? Also, you don't know? You need to watch the videos, Mr. Ubay. It's very important. You have circumference of the circle, 2 videos. Watch them. 2 videos. Watch them. And you have the area of the circle for Thursday. And this one. To understand the formulas, you need to watch the first 2 for the circumference, the one for Thursday, and this one for today. It's very important عشان تفهم. بس على السريع, this is the formula of the area for what? For the circle. For the circle. Pi, it's a 3.14 always. R is the radius. But here they gave me what? The diameter. If they gave me the radius like the questions in the homework, they gave me the radius, so I applied directly. But here they gave me what? To have the diameter, if you have the diameter and you want the radius, take the half of it by dividing it by 2, then apply the formula. Okay? Focus. Done this? Done. Watch the video, Mr. Now, Mr. Najim, what's your question?
Mr.
Naam.
Mr. In the homework, first question, my answer get to 158.13.
This one? Point what?
Yes, my 158.13.
طيب يا زلمه مش بيننا دقيقه شوي 3.14 multiply 7.1 multiply 7.1 it will be 158.28 but they want us to round for the nearest hundredth صح? The hundredth is 8 after it 7 it will be 9. This is the correct answer. Okay, طيب now we have circle and we have half of the circle. The half of the circle we call it semicircle. We call it what? ركز معي الآن. يلا السيميسيركل it is half of a circle. This is the circle and this half of the circle. Semicircle we call it. So half of the circle we call it semicircle. Now to know the area for the semicircle we find the area of the circle then divide by what? By 2. ما هي half صح؟ يلا. So area of SC. شو يعني SC? Semicircle مش circle. The area of the circle is what? The area of the circle it is pi r power 2. The semicircle بنعطيها half of the circle. Got it? You understand? Yeah. So this is the area of the semicircle. How we find it? Half the area of the circle. Done? Done. Let's do example 3. Focus, please. Example 3 talks about the semicircle. Let's read it quickly. A wireless fence transmitted at the back door of a house allows a dog roam freely within a semicircle that has radius of 30 feet. So the radius is given here. How much? They want the area. It is semicircle, right? Semicircle, apply this formula. Half pi r over 2 equal half. Multiply 3.14. Multiply the radius 30 to the power of يعني half multiply 3.14 multiply 30 multiply 30 equal الhalf هي 0.5 نفسها. So you can say 0.5 multiply 3.14 multiply 30 multiply 30. The answer will be 0.5 times 3.14 times 30 times 30. It is 1,413. 1,413 feet long. Same skill, same idea, but with the half before. Okay? Okay. Now we have checked after this example, page 461. Write it with me in details, please. We are on the check, page 461. What is the area of the semicircle? Use 3.14 for the pi. اطلع على السيميسيركل الرسمينها عندك. This one, right? They wrote 7.5 yard here. What's this? The given 7.5. The radius or the diameter? The diameter. If the number is written on the center, this is what? The whole diameter. لو كان الراديوس بيكون كاتبه يا هنا يا هنا. Okay? So this is the diameter, not the radius. To find the area, I need what? To find the radius, I need what? By 2. So the radius is the half of the diameter, right? So here the diameter is given 7.5. I want the radius, the 7.5 divided by 2. It will be 3.75. Are you sure? This is the radius. Now, this is semicircle or circle? Apply the formula of the semicircle. 1/2 pi r power 2 equal 1/2 times 3.14 times 3.75 power 2 equal 1/2 times 3.14 times 3.75 times 3.75. This is equal half multiply 3.14 multiply 3.75 multiply 3.75 22.08 rounded طبعا 22.08 watts. What's the unit? Yard power 2. So to find the area of the semicircle, multiply the half by the area of the circle. Done? Is it clear? Copy quickly, please. Done writing? Yes, ya Isam.
Mister,
Yes.
can you repeat this?
Fine. The given graph is a circle or semicircle?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. Now the 7.5 yard, it is the diameter or the radius?
Diameter.
To find the area, I need what?
Radius.
So I have the diameter. How we find the radius? We divide the diameter by what?
2.
The half of the diameter, right? The answer is what? 3.75. Now apply the formula with the 3.75. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Yes. And this half, why we put it this half? Because we have semicircle, not full circle. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good boy. Now we have the most important idea in this lesson. And this idea, I love it so much. And normally, I bring a lot of questions about how to use. ركز معي الآن. How to use the circumference to find mean انت بتتحرك كثير، هذا الشيء منرفزني. how to use the circumference to find what mean that يعني if you have the circumference we can find to find the area you need what r. To find the area you need r, but if you have the circumference you can find the area. Okay, we have two steps here. Step 1 ركز معي. Step 1 use the circumference to find mean radius. Step 2 use the radius which you find in step 1 to find the area. You understand? Example 4 ركز معي. This is very important. ركز. In example 4 the exact circumference of a circle is 32 pi inches. ركز. So C is given. How much C? 32 pi inches. C is given 32 pi. قديش الباي؟ 3.14. مالكيش فيها، خليها باي. Find the area. Find what? تعال هون. How to use the circumference to find the area. Step 1 use the circumference to find mean. Give me the formula which connects between the r and the circumference. C equal 2 pi r. Write it. C equal 2 pi r. Now in place of C, what I will replace it by? 32. What's this? Pi. Not 32, it is 32 pi. Okay? Equal ال2 مالكيش فيها، الباي مالكيش فيها، والار بدك اياها، right؟ صح؟ I want r. شو اعمل؟ I want this r. We divide both sides by the coefficient of r, right? What's the coefficient of r? 2 pi. مش 2 لحالها. So I will divide both sides by what? 2 pi here, 2 pi here. Now ركز. 2 pi with 2 pi still mean bring it here. Now pi with pi, true. 32 divided by 2. I found the r. Step 2 now, use r to find what? Equal pi r power 2. فيش شيء اسمه r2. فيش شيء اسمه r2. r power 2. r exponent 2. Whatever. So this is equal 3.14 multiply 16 power equal 3.14 multiply 16 multiply 16. This is equal, multiply these three numbers together, the answer will be 3.14 times 16 times 16, it will be 803.84. 803.84. What's the unit? Inches power 2. Yes. The circumference, how much? لا. Example 4 يا ابني. صباح الخير. Are you in example 4, Mr.? طيب, when you find example 4 and be with us, you can ask me. طيب, I'm in the check page 462 now. The check is the same idea of the example, so focus with the check, okay? Yeah. I'm in the check page 462 and you can sit down here. At the start, you can sit here. Come closer. Do you see the board? طيب, good boy. يلا. We are on the check page 462. Focus with the check. The check said the exact circumference of a circle is 13 pi feet. C equal what? 13 pi feet. Find mean. Find the area, right? Step 1, we use the circumference to find. لا حول ولا قوة. Step 1, we use the circumference to find the radius. يلا. C equal 2 pi r. This is the formula. In place of C, what I will put? The value of C. The value of C is how much? Huh? Read the question. Why you say 13 لحالها؟ و 32 هي من وين جبتها؟ ايش دخل هون؟ احنا بتشيك. ركز. What's the circumference? 13 pi. Okay. The circumference is 13 pi. Replace C by what? 13 pi. وكمل. 2 pi r. Divide the two sides by what? The coefficient of the radius. What is it? 2 pi here and 2 pi here. 2 pi with 2 pi gone. Pi with pi gone. 13 divided by 2. I have the radius. Now I will use the radius to find what? Try the formula of the area. Pi r power 2 equal 3.14 multiply the radius 6.5 power 2 equal 3.14 multiply 6.5 multiply 6.5 equal 3.14 multiply 6.5 multiply 6.5. This is 132.67 feet power 2. Do you understand it? Now I have 7 minutes for the online or 6 minutes for the online. I will do the check, the last check, which is page 464. Please focus with me in that check, please. If you miss writing anything, watch the video and finish your exercises. Tomorrow I will search about them. So we are on 464 now. And please focus. Guys in the online, focus with me, please. Look at the board. عشان تفهم. We have a pool. Pool. Water. Pool. Huh? The radius of it is how much? 10 feet. And around the pool, we have sidewalk. We have what? Sidewalk. The width of the sidewalk is 3 feet. Done? The question wants us to find the area of the sidewalk. The area of what? Of the sidewalk. Here we have two circles, the big one and the insider one. The insider one for the pool, right? The big area for what? For the walking side, right? But if I get this, what's this? Scissor. If you get scissor and cut the pool, still what? So the area of the sidewalk is the whole area minus the area of the pool, right? Yeah, let's apply. ركز معي. A equal of the sidewalk equal the whole area minus the area of what? I want the area of the sidewalk. صح? So the area of the sidewalk is the whole area minus the area of what? Of the pool. اللي بيبقى معاي هو السايدووك صح؟ طب ركز معي. The whole area is what? What's the radius of the whole area? لا ال 10 هذه للبول. 13. 10 للبول و 3 لمين؟ للسايدووك. Together صارت 5 multiply 13 power 2 minus the area of the pool 5 multiply 10 power 2, right? You understand? Now apply just 3.14 multiply 13 multiply 13 minus 3.14 multiply 10 multiply 10. This is equal. I'll multiply them all in one time. 3.14 times 13 times 13 minus 3.14 times 10 times 10, right? This will be 530.66 feet power 2. Do you understand? Sorry. Your homework for today is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. ركز معي ب 3 4 هلا. In 3 4 the question gave you what? The diameter. They want the area. صح? What we do? We take the half of the diameter for the radius, then we find the area. شيل شوي. وين هالسيميسيركل؟ Which question? We are in question 3 and 4. Do we have semicircles there? ها؟ ركز يا ابني. Now in questions 5 and 6, what we have? Semicircles. So multiply the half by the area of the circle. In question 7 and 8, what we have? We have circumference, and they want from you to find the area. For my advice, re-watch these examples so you can solve the homework. Thank you. Yes, ya Omar. Omar Samer.
Yes, mister, can you go back to example 4?
Example 4. Hi, example 4. Quickly. Go slowly, please. بدون صوت.
Okay, I finish.
Done?
Yes, yes.
Done. Anything else in the online? Okay, don't forget to do your homework. Thank you.